Hey, hello. Let's dive right into it. December 1st, 2021, three trades. Um, I should be getting good at this because it's my third time recording this video. I am still trying to figure out how to be a computer person. Um, all right. First thing that I saw here this morning, which did not help me in any shorts, this was the market open bar anyways, so we weren't in looking at anything back through here. I was sleeping at 8 o'clock Eastern time here in the mountains. Um, Big drop at market open, huge bear bar, little tail. This is a lot of strength. Looking for some follow through. Generally not interested in taking trades on the first or second bar of the day. Generally not interested in taking trades on the third bar of the day. But I did it today. So bear finish on bar one, bar two, pretty long bar, probably 60% of the length of the first bar. Don't really care how this finishes. It finished slightly bullish, could have easily just finished bearish. What got me was we run into resistance, this big dash blue line, that is major support and resistance from the prior time ago. And the big tail tells me reversal. So what am I looking at? I drew a fib. I like to take trades to the 38, but I don't want to get greedy. And this lighter dash blue line is a 320 natural psych number. Natural support and resistance, so I chose to play it somewhat safe. What I love about this trade is absolutely deadly on the entry. As soon as this wick up bar came, I'm in the trade, got filled on the next bar, but halfway up it. 29 tick stop, love it. As you've heard me talk prior about how I increase size, it's based on certain parameters within a month. So December, I was supposed to go to 4 contracts. My pre-market routine, I guess I wasn't paying full enough attention. I did not add that fourth contract, so this trade was taken with 3 contracts, one to 45, one to 60, and one to 38. Could have got a little more. I'm not about getting greedy. Held through this pullback. Feel really good about this trade. Let's continue on. Trade number 2 was a stop. I'm going to sum this one up rather quickly here. So this was that first bar of the day. This was that tail that I was talking about on the first trade, and then I took my first trade on long right here. We're still kind of sideways. Look at the EMA, it's very flat. Bear bar, I'm not even going to call that a bull bar. It did finish on the bull side, but it's just an indecision pullback bar, bear bar, one bull bar with a huge tail down. Not a place to look for a long trade. Plain and simple. There's nothing more to say. Should not have been looking long. Did I see a setup? Sure. I could throw you 27 trade setups a day, but if the charts aren't telling you to look in that direction, it's not a trade setup and you're going to get stopped. This was actually 25 tick stop, I remember, because it was exactly 100 ticks, 25 times 4. Of course, I made sure I had 4 when I took my loss here. Um, yeah, whether you're using candlesticks and uh, candlestick patterns, 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, 15 minute, uh, I don't really care what your chart style is. For me, I have 2 charts. I have this chart, which I have. I look at the 5. I look at the 15. Sometimes I look at the 60 minute or 1 hour. This just helps me find direction. The only reason that I use this chart and this strategy of finding secondary support outside of major support is only so that I don't have to use such a huge stop on the Nasdaq. These bars are huge, and proper stop placement would require just some massive stops I'm not comfortable taking. So I found this strategy um, to find tighter entries with tighter stops. That's it. So I ignored market direction and took this trade because I got caught up looking at this. So it's still something I need to be more disciplined about. All right, let's keep going. Third trade. What did we do? Oh, this was a partial. Okay, so same thing. First trade, big bear, uh, kind of that indecision reversal, took it on here. We went long through here. Then I went long after this bar. Again, it finished bullish, but big tail after a bunch of bear bars. Should not have been looking short. Tried to get long through here, nothing lined up. Really wanted to be long through here, nothing lined up. And then again, I see I see this bar with the big wick on top. I see a bear bar, but not closing on its low. So this is a potential for, first leg up, second leg up, maybe third leg up. Um, Good bear bar. Uh, and that was enough to make me look for a trade entry. So I shift my focus over here. I was sleeping at the wheel here. We had pivot, pullback, support tested again, and yeah, I was sleeping clearly, or maybe I was getting a coffee, or who knows. Luckily enough, we get a secondary opportunity, pullback, test support. I did not wait for the third confirmation. I'm in, hit 2 at 45, hit 1 at 60, pullback, hit 1 at break even, plus 2 ticks. Target for this trade was an ABC 100. In reality, I can't show you, but I remember this was an ABC, but it was an A with a huge B down to a C. So this trade, because my stop was above this, but this never did go to target. It came back up uh, somewhere up here and then dropped. So good read overall. Happy with my day. First day trading 4 contracts. Uh, Profit on the day was $143.50 on 3 trades. Should probably do a video one of these days on my strategy. So I trade, it's a business account, but it's my account. 4 micros, increasing every month that I meet my rules. And then I use the Flowbot's trade replicator, and I replicate that to all the performance accounts that I have, plus any valuation accounts that I've got going on. As well, I'll run my automated algorithm on the. Right now, I'm only running the algo on evaluations. I use the algorithm to get me funded accounts. I don't have currently a big enough funded account with a big enough drawdown to trade the algorithm. I could trade micros, I suppose, but I like trading the minis on the algorithm, and I require a $5,000 to $7,000 drawdown to trade those. The algorithm has passed my accounts for me though, and does just well, lately it's just been off the charts good. So hopefully should have my $150,000 funded account with a $5,000 drawdown shortly, and then I can start trading the algorithm on a performance account and start collecting some of that cash. I'm going to I'm trying to figure out this YouTube thing and get a live stream going of my trading and um, the algo one of these days too. Anyways, appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully you learned something here, and I'm just going to keep at it. Be back with December 2nd tomorrow. Tune in then. Thank you.